Go, Rocky, go.
What's good, BS family? Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, I remember I promised y'all of an unboxing video, right? I promised y'all an unboxing video. Yeah, this is the video right here. Yeah, before that, make sure you stick to this video, watch till the end. I got an important message for y'all. Yeah, so kindly watch this video till the end. All right, let's quickly get into the video. In today's video, I got two parcels that came through the mail today, but yeah, this is one. Those who follow me on Instagram actually know what this is. Yeah. And the second one is this. In one way or the other, y'all know what this is. That's if you've been watching my videos and shit. Yeah. But yeah, since I promised y'all of an unboxing video, I think I'll be unboxing this first. Yeah, I'm only unboxing only one, and the other one for a different video. So yeah, I'll leave this for a different video. Let's focus on this. Okay, so let me talk about the history behind this, right? Bro, yeah, y'all remember when I went to the mall, right? Yeah, if you didn't check that video, link in the description down below. Right after this video, go check it out. I went to the mall to purchase a Sony camera, right? The moment I entered there, bro, like, I was prepared for it, you get it? So yeah, I just went for the camera and I started unboxing because I was vlogging and shit about, yeah. So I just unboxed the thing because I thought, yeah, I was in the space to just copy it. I was like, yo, you know what? Set this shit up for me, yeah. I want to copy it. He set it up and shit, but I saw a couple of languages without English. I was like, yo, this device doesn't have English. What's wrong? It was like, yeah, this is a Chinese word, but it doesn't have it. I was like, yo, chill. You are not telling me this right now, are you? He said, yeah, it doesn't have English. And I was like, what? But yeah, I had no choice, you get it? Yeah, I had no choice than to just leave it. No, I couldn't afford that. I just couldn't afford to purchase that. Yeah, so I didn't purchase it. Yeah, but the deal was like, you need to pay an amount of $200 for opening the box. I was like, what? $200, bro? Yeah, you know what? At that point, bro, I didn't want to talk. I just wanted to leave because I was so much disappointed, bro. Like, I quickly just gave him the money. I know that was dumb, but you know what? Yeah, I think that was the right choice, bro. Like, yeah, I just gave him the money and I left, bro. As soon as I came home, I quickly purchased this online and shit. So I hope this is the perfect one. I hope this is what I want. I hope there's no heartbreaks this time around, cause bro, I'm tired. All right, so let's get it. Let's open it real quick. Good. Oh, that was pretty much easy. Oh, this unboxing should be easy. Okay, so this is how it looks. It feels like nothing is inside though. Yeah. Oh, this is huge. What's this? Okay. Let me empty the box. Okay, so there's something like the bag, bro. Like, yeah. I remember when I went to the mall, right? This dude was like, yeah, I'll give you a bag and shit. The bag he was about to give me was white, but this is black. I feel like this is cute more than that. Yeah, I feel like this is cute. I don't think I'm probably gonna use it, but yeah, you know what? This is cute. Yeah. What's this? Okay. I think this is a champion itself. What is this? What? It's a little bit over here. Oh, okay. But that was necessary. The protection is a lot, but that was necessary because this shit is fragile. Okay. Yeah, this is how it looks like. This is how Sony box looks like. Shit. Yeah. Most of you will be asking why. You said it's brand new. Why is it open? Yeah, I told him he should open. You know what? I didn't want any heartbreaks no more. So the moment I purchased, I told him, you know what? Open, check that, make sure that everything is intact. Make sure that I want to see that it's English version and shit. Cause he said it was fully English, but bro, You ain't gotta trust nobody, bro. I told him to open it. Yeah, I gave him the permission to open it and shit so that I can see. So yeah, he sent me a couple of videos showing that, yo, this is an English version and everything was intact, like, you feel me? So yeah, that's the main reason why you see this shit like open and shit. But it's not a biggie. I know it's brand new and you know that because I've explained myself. So yeah, let's get it. Be soft. Okay. Oh, it comes with an extra memory card, 32 gig. An extra 32 gig memory card. That's cute. I think this is probably the lens or something. This is probably yeah, this is the camera lens. Ooh, I got it. Okay, yeah, there's a camera lens. Oh, there's it. Yeah, sir, ski. This is the charger. I mean the charger head, and there's the cable to it. What the fuck? It looks like a battery. Oh, there's a hanger. Yeah. What? I think the only thing that's probably missing is the tripod. But you know what? Fuck it, I have a tripod, so that ain't no biggie. I have a tripod. That's not a biggie. Not at all. Oh, okay, I think this is the body. Wait, y'all ready to see it? Shit, this is cute. The exact reason why I went for this. You know, niggas were like, yeah, you know what, go for the M50 instead. I was like, nah. Cause as compared to this, the M50 is pretty much bulkier, you get it? But this is the one. Cause I'll be doing a lot of vlogging and shit. Felt like I should go for something cute, something mobile, you get it? Yeah, that's why I went for this. Okay, look at that. Look at the sexy body of the Sony body. Look at the sexy body of the Sony body. Yeah, it has the 4K shit on top. Yeah, it captures 4K and shit. Yeah, high quality shit. Let's quickly mount the camera lens and see some. Okay, this is cute. Why are you not opening? Okay. No, I don't think I suck at this. So why are you tripping, bro? I don't suck at this. What? Okay. Okay. Did you hear that sound? It's been mounted. Okay. Okay. So this how it is. This how it looks. Yes, sir, ski. This how it looks. Okay, wait. Y'all shouldn't forget it has a flip screen. Yeah, sir. Oh, okay. Damn, I feel like a vlogger now. Shit, bro. What's good, YouTube family? What's good, BS family? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Billsuccess back with another video. Yeah, in today's video, what we're finna do is do a couple of unboxing and shit. Subscribe, hit the thumbs up button. Let's go, let's get down, bro. I feel like a vlogger. Shit. Wait, this shit is dope in my opinion. What do you think? If you think this shit is sexy, if you like it, if you think this shit is trash, let me know in the comment section down below. I think this is sexy. Damn. Okay, but wait, let's turn it on and see how it looks. Yeah. Oh, this was what I was looking for. Something like English. Like, see that? English. Bro, when I went to the mall, right? The moment he opened it, he turned it on. There was something like Chinese, Arabic. I was like, what the wait? You don't have English, but you have Arabic. It's like, okay, that's tough. But yo, this is cute. You can see that English at the first and shit. Obviously, that's what I'm gonna go for. So yeah, let's click that. Boom. What's today's date? Shit. I'll do all this shit later and shit. Yo. Yeah, that was pretty much for today's video. Yeah, I think, yeah, if you want to buy a Sony camera, y'all know what to choose, right? A6400, no cap, bro. This is so slick, this is sexy, bro. Look, it's so cute, so simple, bro. It's not something bulky. This can be easily carried around and shit like that. Yeah, I promise y'all I'll be telling y'all something. Yeah, something important. Yeah, the thing is, yeah, you know what? Literally, it's 12:05 a.m. right here. Like currently, it's 12:05 a.m. like 25th December. Yeah, you know what? Season's greetings to each and every BS family member, bro. I appreciate y'all for the love and support, bro. Like, I really appreciate y'all. Yeah, Merry Christmas. You know what? Stay safe, have fun. Till we meet again, it's all peace.